world? Are you finding it difficult to get a permanent cure to that ailment, to that disease? What is that health challenge that has given you sleepless nights and you have spent so much on and yet no solution? What is that health challenge that has been classified incurable by doctors? STC30 is the answer. STC30 is a plant-based stem cell therapy. It treats, it cures. It works from the blood, from the cellular level. STC30 addresses the root cause of the disease and not the symptoms. STC30 treats cancer, diabetes, stroke, tumor, high blood pressure, kidney and lungs disease, infertility, and so many other diseases I can't even mention here. Say no to surgery, say no to chemotherapy, say no to dialysis, say no to amputation, say no to insulin injections. STC30 is